Hi, I'm Abby, the online avatar that assists Chris with review summaries from each of your classes. Welcome to the Class 1 QuickBooks Online Training Summary. In Class 1, we learn about subscription options, logging in, switching to the sample company, the 5 accounting categories, and debits and credits. The most common QuickBooks subscription for small business in Nova Scotia is the $25 per month plan. Mid-sized companies tend to upgrade to $55 per month to include multiple users and project cost and time tracking. There are free and low-cost solutions on the market such as Wave Accounting and FreshBooks. If you need payroll, it will cost an extra $30 to $50 per month. You will create a free main student account in class with Chris. All entries made in this account are available to you during your 10 weeks of training. If you already have a subscription to QuickBooks, we will only use the student account during the training. Your student account creates 2 QuickBooks companies. Once you log in, you can switch to a sample company by clicking the gearbox icon in the upper right. This sample company is great for testing features and learning. Every good bookkeeper knows the 5 categories of record keeping: assets, liabilities, equity, revenue, and expenses. QuickBooks will place the correct numbers into each proper account and category once you fill in your receipt screens. These categories keep your books balanced. QuickBooks will take care of all the debits and credits for you. All you need to do is fill in the receipt screens. But QuickBooks is always making entries in debits and credits to your categories and accounts with every entry you make. When you run reports, it is very useful to be able to read the debits and credits to help understand your books and correct your books if necessary. Try to memorize these 4 rules. 1. Debit an asset to increase it. 2. Credit an asset to decrease it. 3. Debit all expenses. 4. Credit all revenues. During Class 1, we will practice using QuickBooks and review the basics of debits and credits. Please review the Class 1 handout for your exercises, and don't worry if you are having difficulty with debits and credits, as QuickBooks will take care of these for you. To summarize Class 1, we learn about subscription options, logging in, switching to the sample company, the 5 accounting categories, and debits and credits, and we practice basic entries. Oh, and each class has trivia, prizes, and jokes. Do you know why skunks don't like taxes? It is because they only have 1 cent. That's it for Class 1.